For the previous question, this is the solution. Cylinder diameter 60, 0 to 60. On isometric projection scale, this is going to be 0 to 6 dash. Now, isometric slab height 30. So this is going to be 0 to 30, 0 to 3 dash isometric slab height. Going for frustum of a cone, its base is how much? This base is represents, you can see, 50 mm. So 0 to 50. So isometric projection length 0 to 5 dash. Isometric top portion 40, 0 to 40, 0 to 4 dash. Height is 40. So 0 to 40, 0 to 4 dash. You have to measure the length from OB line, which is going to be regarding isometric projection. Now the construction process. Isometric axis, horizontal line 30 degrees, right side line with respect to axis of length, left side making 30 degrees with breadth or depth. Now this is the point, this is the line for axis regarding to its height. Now first thing we want to draw cylindrical slab. What's diameter? 60. Everything is going to be isometric projection. Therefore, you have to consider isometric scale length only. Isometric scale length projection of 60. I am measuring this from the slab, from cylindrical slab bottom diameter. This is slab diameter. Measuring it. Similarly, this length, by using a compass, you have to locate on length axis. Similarly, here also. Now, this is the concern point. This is the concern point. Now I am naming this as A. This is the point B. This is the point C. After that, passing through A, draw a parallel line to BC by using a drafter. Passing through C, draw a parallel line to AB by using a drafter. Now we got the rhombus. This is D point. Now circle can be looks like an ellipse in rhombus by using 4 center method. Procedure, you know it. Midpoint of AD, midpoint of AB, midpoint of BC, midpoint of CD. Midpoint of AB1, midpoint of BC2, midpoint of CD3, midpoint of DA4. For the next process, now we have to join D1, D2, D1 and D2. Similarly, you have to join the points B4 and B3, B4 and B3. Now we are having 4 centers. Now this is going to be first center. D1 is a radius and D is a center. Draw arc between the points 1 and 2. Next, B is a center, B4 is a radius. Draw an arc by using a compass between the points 3 and 4. Now this is another center. So this is first center, this is second center, this is third center, and 3i is going to be radius, 3i is going to be center. Draw an arc by using a compass between the points 4 and 1. Now this is the fourth center. Now fourth 3 is going to be radius, 4 this is going to be a center. You have to draw an arc by using a compass between the points 3 and 2. You will get a round, you will get an ellipse. After getting the base of the cylinder, now what is its height? See, 30 units. From A, draw a parallel line to BH. BH. This is 30. I am considering 30 units. From C also draw a parallel line to BH. Similarly, from B also draw a 30 units line, this much of length, this much of length from B. This is another point. And height is going to be 30 from this is the dth point. This is dth point, this is the dth point. From D, locate a point. Now again I am naming it as, this is going to be A1, this is B1, this is C1, this is the D point, so therefore D1. I am joining all the concerned points as a straight lines by using a drafter. Now joining the points A1 B1, B1 C1, C1 D1 and D1 A1. Again locate the midpoints for A1 D1, A1 B1, B1 C1, C1 D1. Now similarly you have to join these lines be 1 suffix 1, this is 2 suffix 1, this point 2 suffix 1, 2 suffix 1, this is 3 suffix 1, this is 4 suffix 1. Now you can see D1 1 suffix 1 as a radius, D1 as a center. Draw an arc by using a compass between the points 1 suffix 1, 2 suffix 1. Similarly, B1 4 suffix 1 is the radius, B1 is a center. Now by using a compass, draw an arc between the points 4 suffix 1, 3 suffix 1. Then here another point I am assuming, this is going to be E. E is a center, E 4 suffix 1 is a radius. By using a compass, draw an arc between the points. Similarly, here the lines are not drawn. Now I am drawing D1 to 2 suffix 1, B1 to 3 suffix 1. This is going to be another center, naming it as a F. F is a center, F31 is a radius. By using a compass, draw an arc between 3,1 and 2,1. You will get another ellipse. Now finally, you want to join these two lines. You will get a cylinder. After getting a cylinder, please observe. So, top portion I am erasing. Please see it. Observe carefully. This is going to be erasing. Got it? Now, so this portion also I am